Hello everyone, myself Mr. Shatabdi Dhar, Senior Faculty of SVIST. Today, in this video, again I am here with some problems in C for implementation of strings. In this video, we are going to discuss about three problems, that is to check whether a string is palindrome or not, to replace all occurrences of a character in a string, and to make the abbreviated form of a multi-word string. Now we will discuss about the program, that is write a C program to check whether a string is palindrome or not. So to solve the problem, that is whether a string is palindrome or not, here's our program. At first we have to write the header files, that is standard input output header file, and string.h, that is string header file. Now int main, that is the main function. Within this main function, we have to declare a character array, that is I have declared here char s, which will be the string. In integer array I, n, c, and c equal to initialized with 0. Enter the string. This message is passed through the function, that is printf function. Now to get the input of the string s, we have used the string function getS. Then n equal to strlen s, that is we will have the length of the string and put the result in the integer variable n. Now for I equal to 0, I less than n by 2, I plus plus. So I will go from 0 to the length divided by 2, that value. If si equal to s n minus I minus 1, then c plus plus. The value will be incremented by 1 here. Then if c equal to I, printf string is palindrome. If the value of I and c is equal, then string will be palindrome. Else printf string is not palindrome. Otherwise string will be not palindrome. Then return 0. So this is our program to check whether a string is palindrome or not. Now I am compiling this program. Now executing this. Here's the message showing that enter the string. I am giving a message that computer. So as the string computers mirror image is not the same as computer, so it's not palindrome. And we can see here that the message is shown here that string is not palindrome. Now again I am executing this program. Now I am giving the string as madam, and it's showing that string is palindrome because the mirror image of madam is madam. So this string is palindrome. Now we will discuss about the program, that is write a C program to replace all occurrences of a character in a string. To solve the problem, that is replace all the occurrences of a character in a string, first we have to include the header files, that is standard input output header file, string header file. Then int main, that's the main function. After that character variable C1 and C2 is declared here, and a string character array, that is the string name S, is declared here. Then an integer value is taken here, that is int I. After that, the message enter the string is passed to the function printf. For getting the input in the string S, we have used here getS function. Now printf enter a character for replace. C1 equal to getChar, which will be taken by the user, taken from the user. Now getChar function printf enter character to replace with C1, which is taken from the user. C2 equal to getChar and printf before replace. The string S will be printed here. For I equal to 0, it will be go up to the value that is Si by incremented 1, that is I plus plus. Within this, if condition will be executed, that is if Si equal to C1, that is if the value of Si and C1 will same, then S1 equal to C2. The value of C2 will be stored in S1. After that, printf after replace, the value will be printed here after replacement, that is the value of S. At last, the return 0. So here's our program for replacement of character in any string. Now I am compiling this. Now here's our output that entered the string. I am giving a string like SRIST. Enter a character replace. I am giving here R. Enter character to replace with R. I am giving here V. Now you can see the result, that is before replace it was SRIST. After replace it is SVIST. So R is replaced by the given character V. Now we will discuss about the program, that is write a C program to make the abbreviated form of a multi-word string. To solve the problem, that is write a program in C to make the abbreviated form of a multi-word string. First we have to declare or include the header files, that is standard input output header file and string header file. After that, int main, that is the main function, and then the required integer variables are declared here, that is int I, j equal to 0, that is initialized with value 0, m is also initialized with value 0. After that, two strings are taken here, that is char org name 50 and abbreviation name 10, that is abrev name 10. After that, printf enter the organization name. I'm given here as an organization name. So get is org name. Org name value will be any string value will be taken through the org name by the getIs function. Now for I equal to 0, I strlen org name, that is the length of the string of org name is taken through the strlen, and the for loops I equal will go from 0 to that value by incrementing 1. Then abbreviation of M equal to org name J if org name I equal to dash. That means space. So M equal to M plus 1 and J equal to I. Abbreviation M equal to org name J and J plus plus. So each value of org J will be stored in org name M, abbreviation name M. Then abbreviation M plus 1 equal to null space, that is null value, that is slash 0. After that printf, the abbreviation is put is abbrev name, that is the abbrev name will be abbrev name string will be outputted here through this putis function, then return 0. So here's our program to check to make the abbreviated form of a multi-word string. Now I am compile and run this program. You can see here the message is given like enter the organization name. Now I am giving the organization name as Computer Study Corner. So you can see that the abbreviation is CSC. Hope through this video I have made you understand about the problems of implementation of strings. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.